So far we have installed all the things that we need on our local machine. So I think it's time to get started on actual implementation. So in this episode, we're going to set up a simple Node.js project so that we can get started with all the implementation in the following episodes. So let's get started. Okay, first we need to create a folder on our desktop. It doesn't matter whether you are on Mac or Windows. So let's create a folder. You can name anything. I'm going to name this as Node REST JavaScript, since we are actually building the whole thing with JavaScript. So let's open VS Code and import this project. So once you import this project or open this folder, so you can actually open a terminal here, and let's switch to Bash. Since for every Node.js project we will have a package.json. So package.json is very important. Let's check the Node.js version, which our version is 20. So you can actually create package.json with npm init. So when you hit npm init in the terminal, it will ask you a bunch of questions. So let's go over all these questions. The first thing is package name. So you can name any name. So I'm going to name this as a folder name, node rest javascript, and the version. So here it's a major, minor, patch version. So since we are still in development phase, I'm going to put it as 001. You can put any description here. This is just a description for our project. So I'm going to put as example project for Node REST API, and entry point is index.js. You can name any file, and you can just put the same file index.js here as an entry point. We're not going to have any text command, no git repository yet. Keywords. So since it's a Node REST API, you can put keywords Node REST API so that people will understand or search by keywords. Author, your name, and the license, default license. So once you create, it actually creates package.json. If you look at the Explorer window, you can actually see package.json. It's already created. Let's click on the package.json. You can actually see all the options, all the answers that you have given. It took all the answers and it actually created the package.json for you. Now I think we have a index.js as main file. Let's create index.js. Index.js is created. Let's go ahead and put some print statement with console log. So now we have index.js with some coordinate. So let's see how to run this one. Basically with npm scripts you can actually start npm start. So since there is no script defined for start, it actually gives you the error. So basically you have to invoke node index.js so that index.js will be run. You can add this as a script under script section. So let's add this. You can name this script anything, but since we are running or we are starting the application, we are going to name this as a start. So let's put the command node index.js so that whenever you run npm start, it actually runs the command node index.js, which internally executes the file index.js. Yes, if you run npm start, it actually executes node index.js, and it actually executes index.js file, and it it actually prints the statement called this is index.file. So that is how you actually add scripts in the package.json. And now let's add a function called add. So this function will take two parameters, and it will return addition of those two parameters. Let's add another console log statement. So when I run the start command, it actually executes this function. It actually prints 20, as you can see here. That's it. I think we have set up the first Node.js project, and we have created package.json. We have created our own scripts. So this is very simple one, but we will go over more complex things in the coming episodes. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and you will see more complex things in the coming episodes.